Hello, my beautiful African people. Welcome back to Herald Ride YouTube channel. Today we are looking at why some of our sisters, our African sisters working in a bank in Africa, worship the rich men and treat poor people like a shit when you look for their service. This is something very common in Africa. Those ladies working in banks in Africa, their customer service depend on who they are dealing with. If you are a rich man, they give you a good customer service. But if you are not a rich man, they treat you like a piece of garbage. And I have seen this happen a lot in Africa because I remember one of my friends in Africa, when I was in Africa, he was telling me, how he was treated by a lady working in a bank in Africa. He was treated very bad. And I know this guy because he told me that he went to bank, because then in Africa, they don't have online banking then. So you have to go to bank to check your account balance. And in Africa, some African countries, not every African country, when you come to the bank, you have to queue. And sometimes their customer service, there will be delay. You have to, when you're going to bank, you already know that you're going to spend some time in the bank. That's how it works in some African countries. Because their customer service is not something to write home about. And this guy, my friend, he went to bank, to check his account balance. And he was on the queue. Yeah, and the way he dressed and the way he looks, to be honest, he was looking like a hungry man, to be honest. But you shouldn't treat somebody that way, no matter how the person looks. Because some rich people can look like they are hungry. But this is the way some of our sisters treat you if you are not rich in Africa. So this guy, he went to the bank and he was on queue for the lady to check his account balance. And he has been waiting there. And in Africa, some African countries, they serve the rich people first before they look at the poor ones. And that's what they did to the guy. If you have a large pocket, just they give you a service. You do everything and you don't waste time in the bank. You don't need to because you have money. In Africa, some worship you if you have money. They take you as God. In some African part of Africa, anyway. And this guy was waiting for more than 2 hours to just check his account balance. And finally, this girl attended to him. And when she checked his account balance, because the guy was angry at the point, and he was telling me, service, give me a service. I've been waiting here for a long time. You know what I mean? So after checking his account balance, this girl said to him, "Look, why are you running your mouth here? You just have this kind of amount in your balance." He was telling the guy that his account balance was nothing, was almost empty, nothing there. And he's using it to talk to the guy, not in a nice way, by saying, "Look, you don't have much. You shouldn't be talking." That's what she implies, because in Africa, if you don't have money, they don't want you to talk. They want to listen to people that have money. They believe you have money, you have life. But this guy, my friend, told me, so his experience is told, and I know another person that they treated differently from this my friend. So the guy, he has some money, big amount of money in his account, and he went to bank. The bank is already closing at 5 p.m. and the security guys in the gates told the guy that the bank is closed almost. They are not accepting new customers. So what the guy did is that because he had access to the bank manager's phone, he called the bank manager because she is still in the bank. And the woman gave order to the gate man that they should allow the guy to come in. Even the bank has closed they have closed their service for the day. But the guy went in and they served him and he left. And the only reason why they allow the guy, to come in even when the bank is almost closing is because the guy has a large pocket. If he doesn't have a large pocket, forget about it. He's not even going to have the manager's phone number. She's not going to give it to you. She will only give it to you if she look at the account that you are rich. If you have a little money in your account, you will never see her phone number. That's the way it is. And this is too bad in Africa. You treat people, you kind of. I'm not gonna say it's racism, but it's now bias between the poor and the rich. The treatment you get in some African banks. And I know another of my friend, when he was in Africa, he said to me, this lady that the girl was kind of in charge of his account, But the girl didn't know that my friend, they have another account with another bank. So my friend he was about to leave the country and, he's coming to the West to study. So all the money he want to use in his study, he kept it in this bank, and the girl have access to this money. And they are in good terms, Even my friend said he might, he's looking at me, maybe if the girl is so good that she might marry the girl. But what happened is that this guy, he traveled and started studying, because when you come to the West and you're studying, your expenses increases. So you keep on taking money from his account in Africa. And this girl, keep on withdrawing money from, in this account. And this girl said one day, said to him, look, your money is going down and nothing is coming out. It's nothing coming in this account. And it's not good. And the guy said, I know, but I need money. I need money to finish my education abroad. And the guy said, the lady keep complaining to the guy. Look, this your money is going down because she's seen it. The guy is taking money most of the time from that account, but she didn't know that the guy have another bank, he is backing another bank and has another money over there. So he was impatient with the guy. When he said that the guy almost withdraw all his money in that bank, and he doesn't pick the guy's calls anymore. Like she used to be. She used to pick because in her eyes the guy is no longer worth her time. He's not rich anymore. And the guy finished his education, came back to Africa, pick his life up and start making money. And the guy becomes a millionaire again. So when he visited the girl, they chat the girl up again and said, look, I'm back, I'm doing well, I have companies now in Africa. And I'm equally married as well, because the guy went back to Africa and get married as well. But he didn't marry the girl because the way the girl, he was just interested in his finance. He's not interested in any other thing. And he thought that the guy, that's the end of the road for the guy. But it was not. But this is how some of our ladies, treat our people. But I don't think not all these African ladies working in bank does the same thing. It's just some few of them. But this is the way it is. Not good. This have to be changed. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're trying to grow our channel. And please like our video and comment. Let me know what you think about this video. Let me know if I'm wrong. Peace.